Today, I want to talk with you guys about the first and most important step that should come before you actually start decorating your home. Hi everyone, welcome to Lifestyle C. It's Sungeun. I'm an interior designer and I create videos about poetic interior design and lifestyle. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I'm moving at the end of this month and my husband and I are just about to sign the contract for our new apartment. Yeah! If you aren't following me on Instagram, why not check it out? I share behind the scenes and especially at the moment, a lot of things are going on. I'm sharing my moving process and my new home decor process soon. The reason why I'm talking about my move is because today's topic is actually inspired by it. When my husband and I were looking for a new apartment, we had an opportunity to choose any kind of home that we want to live, because choosing the right one for us from the marketplace was totally up to us. So my question is this: how do you find a new apartment and where do you start? You might have already answered lifestyle. Yes, exactly. Knowing your and your family's lifestyle is not only helpful to find a new apartment, but also helps when decorating your current home. I always encourage people to discover their own story, evaluate their current lifestyle, and explore their dream lifestyle before decorating. Design styles such as farmhouse, minimalism, Scandinavian, and so on help you decorate your home much easier and you can achieve a more cohesive look. However, honestly, you don't need a certain design style. You can make your own concept and mix different styles. So remember, your unique decor style comes from your and your family's lifestyle. I will give you some of my examples. When I found my current apartment, I just wanted to live in an old apartment. It's called Altbauwohnung here in Switzerland. I didn't think about our lifestyle much back then. So we faced some problems after we moved in, and my home decor direction focused on solving and improving those problems. My husband is quite sensitive to noise and light when he sleeps, but our current bedroom faces to the main street and this apartment doesn't have shutters on the windows. At the beginning, we put our bed next to the window because this room has a beautiful lake view through the windows. I hung blackout curtains, painted the walls with light gray, and chose a moody theme to make our bedroom to feel cozier. I hoped all my design intentions would help us sleep peaceful and have sweet dreams. But eventually, we had to move our bed to another place that is far from the window. So when we checked new apartments this time, we double-checked whether the bedroom was quiet enough and we could make it dark enough. Even though your decorated apartment looks great, if it doesn't align with your lifestyle, you will not enjoy it. Also, our lifestyle can be changed as time goes by. Before our current apartment, we lived in an open-plan living room/kitchen apartment. It was a small apartment and there was no dishwasher. So it stressed us out, actually maybe only me, whenever we ate something. Dirty dishes were out and visible if we didn't wash them right away. That's why we chose our current apartment that has a separated kitchen. But now we have a dishwasher and I've learned how I can keep my kitchen clean and tight pretty most of the time. So I wanna have an open plan living room/kitchen again. because I wanna cook and talk with people at the same time in the same place, not facing the wall or cooking alone. Also, I didn't like to carry everything from the kitchen to dining room back and forth many times. That's why I built a breakfast corner in the kitchen to make our life a bit simpler in the morning. But I wanna have a smooth flow for my cooking in the next apartment. These are just the tip of the iceberg, and we can find many other examples. Ask yourself some questions such as, do you work from home? Do you invite some people to your place often? Do you like relaxing on a comfy sofa or prefer sitting at a table? Maybe you don't need to have a bulky sofa, and getting a large table could be a better choice for your lifestyle. So my point is that think about your lifestyle and solve some problems first. Then bring design styles that align with your taste. It's really hard to find a perfect apartment, especially if it's a rental. So take enough time to think about how you can make your place fit your lifestyle before you decorate your home. It will help you feel like you live in your home. I hope this video gives you some different insights into home decor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and let's catch up very soon. Bye!